Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go, slow cooker pot roast. This slow cooker beef pot roast is the kind of comfort food that makes the whole house smell amazing. The key is searing the roast first for deep flavor, then building a quick mushroom onion gravy with tomato paste and broth before it all slow cooks into fork tender perfection. This is the exact Chef John Allrecipes method. Flour dusted roast, seared, then finished in the slow cooker with carrots, celery, thyme, and rosemary. Okay, so we gotta slice up our mushrooms first. And we'll chop a medium onion. And mince up 2 cloves of garlic. We'll cut our carrots into chunks. And we'll cut our celery into chunks. We're gonna pat the roast dry with some paper towels. Generously season on all sides with salt and black pepper. Then we're gonna sprinkle 1 tablespoon of flour evenly over the roast, patting it on lightly and shaking off any excess. We're going to heat some vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then we're going to place the roast in the skillet and sear until deeply browned on all 4 sides, about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Now we're going to transfer the roast onto a plate and reserve until needed. We're going to reduce the heat on the skillet to medium and add in the butter. Once that butter is melted, we're going to add in the mushrooms, stirring occasionally for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly browned. Add the chopped onions and cook until softened and lightly caramelized, about 5 minutes. Stir in the garlic and cook about 1 minute, just until fragrant. We're going to sprinkle in the remaining 1.5 tablespoons of flour over the vegetables. We're going to stir constantly for about 1 minute. Then we're going to add in the tomato paste and cook stirring another minute. We're going to deglaze the pan by pouring in our chicken broth and stirring constantly to prevent lumps. We're going to bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then remove it from the heat. Then we're going to place the celery and carrots in the bottom of the slow cooker. We're going to set the seared roast on top of the vegetables and pour in any accumulated juices. Then we're going to pour the mushroom onion gravy mixture evenly over the top of the roast. Then we're going to put the cover on and cook on high for 5 to 6 hours until the beef is very tender and easily pulls apart. Then we're going to carefully remove the roast and discard the bones. Now, if you want, you can skim off some of the excess fat from the surface. And you want to adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Then you can slice it or shred the beef and serve it hot with the vegetables and gravy spooned over the top. So you can serve that up with some mashed potatoes. So there you go. Slow cooker pot roast. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.